Today I'm going to make lemon pancakes, my family's favorite breakfast menu. They're so soft and fluffy and lemony and so good. Trust me on this. And I'll use homemade buttermilk. It's not a traditional way to make it, but it's so much easier and it'll save you time. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. Check out the description below for the details. I'm going to zest the lemons and make some lemon juice too. And add lemon juice into the milk and stir it well. Put the milk aside for at least 5 minutes and it'll become buttermilk. You need whole milk because we need some fat to make buttermilk. Let's mix our ingredients while waiting. Mix them well. Can you see the lumps? The buttermilk is done. Now add the wet ingredients. Mix the batter gently. Don't overmix it. Put the batter aside for 5 minutes to cook. I'll get some fruit and coffee ready to eat with the pancakes. Can you see this? It looks very bubbly and looks like mashed potatoes. It's time to make some pancakes. Flip them over when you see the bubbles. I can smell lemon.